There are many data sets out in the wild that are directly or indirectly relevant to the research of JHU faculty. The availability of these resources on the web over time varies considerably. The Open Science Framework provides an ideal environment for researchers to collaborate amongst themselves and data managers. Integration with storage providers allows raw data to be copied or referenced within an OSF project. Researchers or curators may interact with storage providers directly or centrally within the OSF. The OSF provides a convenient user interface for organizing and describing relevant data. An abstraction layer can be used to retrieve or manipulate content referenced within the OSF. This allows researchers to directly engage the storage providers as necessary to take advantage of all of the native features that they provide, or alternatively, the researcher may use the user interface of the OSF to simply download and use content without having to worry about where exactly it is. The JHU libraries have found a role in providing institutional support to our faculty by providing assurance of the durability and accessibilities of these resources over time through enhanced curation and stewardship. A stack of software works behind the scenes to enable preservation activities without disrupting the workflows of the OSF. A tool at JHU uses the OSF API to create an archival Baggett package from an OSF project, containing OSF business objects represented as RDF resources and described in terms of a formal ontology. These archival packages are then deposited into a Fedora repository. Browsing Fedora's basic built-in user interface, we can explore the structure of OSF business objects as they're represented as RDF linked data. The properties and relationships that define the essential characteristics of OSF objects are translated from their original JSON representation and formalized using an RDF ontology. The structure of the OSF business objects in Fedora is particularly amenable to recording provenance and fixity-related metadata, such as checksums, links to the original sources, and more. This enables preservation-related workflows in the institutional Fedora repository, such as creating an audit trail of changes, fixity checking of datasets, archiving historical versions, etc. The takeaway is that the services in the repository stack have the information they need in order to perform their functions asynchronously behind the scenes and fulfill our institution's business needs.